Pufferfish are one of the most poisonous fish in the ocean. They exude a powerful nerve poison called tetrodotoxin. Even so, the dolphins often look for pufferfish and love to chew on them. Perfect for a game of catch. Taken in small doses, the secretions seem to have a narcotic effect. The dolphins are careful not to swallow them. Despite the risks, passing the puffer has become a popular dolphin pastime. Luckily, the little fishes usually survive the strange experience.